looks like Harley Davidsons and stuff.
This is our new system over here, all laid out. Take out all your old system, you'll put in this right now. Gives you about 19 more horsepower if you just do this. If you do our stage 2, which will pull the heads and we'll port and polish, put performance cams in, it takes you up to 197 horsepower. Stock DeLorean's 130, so it's a really nice kick. And it makes me wonder if this thing was, if they had this system when the car first came out, they might still be making DeLoreans today. But yeah.